Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Open your Oxford Modern English textbook. Today we will do some exercises on book. Page number 19. Question number 2. The letters in the words below are jumbled. We call these words anagrams. Example. Bread is an anagram of beard. You can see the both words are correct, so we can make two more words with it. What are these words? You will find the anagrams in this story. Dies. The second word we can make it from is said, though, what, knew it, went, notes, stones, main, name, while, live, mites, times, Mars, arms, life, file, mace, came. Now some more. They have given us two different words or dates. So we can make it one word. It will become roasted. CS hostel, hotel, clothes, earth, heart, most T-bone, tombstone. Learning about language, adjectives. Do you know about adjectives? The quality of a noun. Underline the adjectives in the following. Once upon a time, there lived a young girl. Girl was young, though the word young is adjective. She went to a good school and had a clever teacher. Good and clever are adjectives. By mistake, she bought her old textbook to class instead of a new one. Old and new is adjective. The forgetful girl thought their teacher would shout at her in a loud voice. Forgetful and loud. Underline it. But the thoughtful teacher noticed the poor girl's expression. Thoughtful and poor. The teacher opened her metal cupboard with a shiny key. Metal and shiny are the adjectives. You can borrow the spare copy, said the kind teacher. Spare and kind are the adjectives. Now today we learn about one more thing about phrases and adjectives. Do you know about what is a phrase is? A phrase is a group of words. It is not a sentence, but a part of a sentence. Phrase gives us an idea but does not have a verb in it. So remember it. It is a part of a sentence and it only have a you can say an idea. It does not contains a verb. So here are some phrases. In a minute, you and I, up the tree, my father's shirt. Now there is an exercise. They have given us some statements or sentences. So we have to tell that whether it is a phrase or not. Over the fence, yes, it's a phrase. He kicked it, no. She likes mangoes, no. In a dish, yes. First A is a phrase, D is a phrase, now and then E is a phrase. I'm on the road, no. 3 and 4, yes, this is a phrase. They don't want any, no. Are you coming? No. Good and bad is a phrase. Okay. Some phrases are used as adjectives. This is a book with an old cover. He is a man of great age. Now what we have to do is we have to add adjective phrases. She bought the shirt. You can add by yourself from a new shop. I looked at the sky at a dark night. They saw the fox eating a red apple. This is a shirt with a new bow. He heard the tiger with a loud roar. Okay, now come to workbook. Open your workbook. New Oxford Modern English. Unit number 2. Pip meets a convict. Page number 9. Remember, a phrase is a group of words but not a complete sentence. Now what we have to do is we have to underline the phrases in these sentences. They spoke to us for a minute. He will be back in a minute. She goes for a run now and then. At the circus, we saw an elephant. Now underline the adjective phrases. The man in the suit is my brother. She is a person of great beauty. The book with an old cover was lying on the floor. Okay, now come to the next page. What you have to do is suffix, making adjectives. Do you know about a suffix? A suffix is a word or a part of word that goes on the end of another word. For example, the word join can be made into a new word by adding ed or ing to it. Now it's an example. Help, helpful, help, helpless. Now we have to use these words by adding suffix. Harmful, harmless. Painless, painful. Thankful, truthful. Careless, useless. Hopeless, playless. Tasteful, pointless, useless. Now there is an activity, learning words. Can you know about parts of a motor car? Look, here are the list of parts of a motor car. Write the numbers of each part in the circle connected to the part. You may have to check the meanings in a dictionary. Tire, headlight, radiator, hub, boot, windscreen, door, window, steering wheel. Okay, do you know about a radiator or what is a hub? You can ask these questions to your mother or your father who can drive a car. Now we will use either or. Do you remember using the word either? It is usually used with another word or. The box is either Jamal's or Samir's. The sky is either blue, either or black. Okay, now complete these sentences using either. Bilal does not have a job. His wife does not have one either. George is not a student. His sister is not a student, comma, either. I can skate on ice. Maha cannot skate. It's a skate, sorry. Skate on ice either. A dog hasn't got two legs. A cat hasn't got two legs either. Elephants don't have suitcases. Zebras don't have suitcases either. Now we have to use to. Here's a sentence with the word to. Irfan is reading a book. Tahir is 2. I'm 10-year-old. Rehan is 2. The baby has 10 little toes. I do too. Kabir likes sweets. I do too. James has a pink shirt. Henry has one too. Arif wants to go to sleep. The children do too. Okay. Now there are some more exercises. Make oral sentences of your own using 3 different phrases. Same as, is not the same as, or different from. Look, there are some examples. There are 3 girls, Maham, Rima and Naima. Look, 3 have cats. Maham's face is the same as Rima's. Rima's height is not the same as Naima's. Naima's skirt is different from Maham's. Now we have to use the last words. So, write sentence about the 3 girls using the same as and the word in the brackets. Maham's cat is the same as Naima's. Maham's hair is the same as Rima's. Maham's bag is the same as Naima's. Now we have to use are not and here. Rima's hair is not the same as Naima's. Maham's blouse is not as the same as Rima's. Rima's shoes are not the same as Naima's. Use different from in 3 more sentences. Rima's bag is different from Naima's. Maham's watch is different from Rima's. Rima's earrings are different from Maham's. Okay, students? Okay, now there is an activity, paragraphs. A paragraph is a group of several sentences. Look at the picture below. Write 2 paragraphs in your notebook about each picture. The question below will help you to think what you about. Who is he? Where does he live? What does he do every day? What clothes is he wearing? Is kind or bad tempered? What is he thinking? What is in his name? Does he have any family? What is he doing? Is he young or old? Is he going anywhere? Is he happy or worried? At least one paragraph should tell us what you see in the pictures. Using these pictures and using these questions, you have to write a paragraph on both pictures. Okay, students? Complete all exercises on your book and workbook. Keep remember me in prayers. Allah Hafiz.